plug it in, see if anything catches fire. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today, this video is going to be about the next thing I got from Boost Auto Parts, and I think you guys are going to like it. I've seen tons and tons of people asking how to do this, and I was just scrolling through Boost Auto Parts and found this little kit, so I figured I'd show a video of me putting it in and just how easy it is. There's a video on Boost Auto Parts that just shows how to do it, that it's super easy, but I figure it's always good to have, I don't know, like a second reference to go off of, so I'm gonna make that. I'll show you guys what it is. Okay, so this is it. What this is a automatic fog light module, which all it does is, I don't know exactly what wires it connects together, probably just like the fog lights and the parking lamps, but all you do is just tie into, in the video it said it was A5 and B2. In your little BCM connector, you got to take this piece off, but that's not hard. I'm pretty sure you got to take this piece off too, just because I think it overlaps here, like about like there. I think you might be able to take this off, but it's just a pain. So I just went and took mine off. And then take this off. I think it's just two 7mm bolts down there. Pull the BCM connector out. Then we'll just tap this into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to setting all that up, get some light down in there so you guys can see, and I'll show you guys just how easy it is to put this in. Okay, so like I said, there's just gonna be two 7mm bolts. You got this one here, and then that one down over there. So you'll just, all right, now those two little bolts are out. This whole thing should just pop off like so. The one we're gonna be messing with is this one right here. I believe there's, in mine, there's a little plug here, and then big one here. It's the first big one. So we'll just pinch the two together, pull her out like so. The way they say, have the gray side up, and it's pin A5. Might have to cut this. Okay, so that makes it a little easier getting rid of that tape. And then your next one's gonna be B2, which is 2 over on the bottom blue pin, which in my case is also a white wire. In the video I watched, theirs was a white wire, but I wouldn't go by color. I would just go off of the orientation, which top gray is A5, bottom blue is B2. And grab that one. Make sure, again, I always want to verify until it snaps like so. Okay, so I got the B2 hooked up. Now you're gonna come to this, the top gray. It's gonna be A5. So that's gonna be 5 over from the right. So I don't have anything in my first one. Then 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is gonna be this green and white one. Got this guy here. Make sure it's in between, like so. Then you'll put it on and just until it clips. And there you go. And also, you see how you have this blue ring here? In the video, they say keep that blue ring up to put that one in the A5, and then the other side just connects back into the other one. So get to that. Make sure it's fully seated. Connect it to the other side. And there it is. Now you should have automatic fog lights. I'm gonna go out and test it. Hopefully I did it right and I don't blow anything up, but that would be my fault, not Boost Auto Parts. So I'll plug it in, see if anything catches fire. All right, guys, so there it is, all put together and tucked away. Now I did almost mess up. When I went to the gray, I went from left to right and counted 5. You know, it's both sides are from the right to the left. So one being the furthest right on both sides. So with the gray facing up, the gray connector facing up, you come from the right over. So that's just, I want to tell you that one, because I almost messed up. I almost plugged it back in, turned it back on, and I don't know what that wire connected to, but if I would have hooked those together and then put it in there, who knows what it would have done. So I'm gonna check this, see if it all works, and should be it. Didn't take long at all. The longest part was finding electrical tape where I accidentally tapped the wrong wire and had to wrap it back up, but I'm gonna set you guys up and show you if it works. All right, so as you guys saw, it works. I have the high 6 mod done. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check that one out. And this truck didn't come with factory fog lights, also a video on my channel if you guys want to go check those out as well. You can't turn the fog lights off and keep your lights on. That's one of the downsides, but it's not that big of a deal to me. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just kind of want to show you getting that in, just how easy it is. I know Boost Auto Parts made a real good video on it, but I just kind of wanted to give that second glance, because I know when I like to see stuff, I like to watch a couple videos on it, make sure it's all the same before I start digging into it. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more stuff to the truck, Jeep, car, whatever, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to figure out more things to do, trying to get more done, so hopefully I can put out more content that you guys will like. Like I said, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.